everyone, my name is Miriam and today I am very excited because I am going to be reviewing for the first time ever this Together at Lash Benefit Trio set. It comes with the Bad Girl Bang, their Real, and this is called the Roller Lash, I believe. This is the little package that was sold at Ulta for $36. All of these are full-size mascaras. So this is what it looks like. When I saw it was pretty small. If I put it right here on my chest, that's what it looks like. But they're all full-size mascaras, and I am a freaking cheapo, so I'm surprised I actually got this for myself. I was thinking, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I should get it. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. But I've been using the Loreal Telescopic for about 8 years now. This is what it looks like, and I absolutely love it. This is the wand, and I absolutely love it. It separates my lashes really well. It does a really good job. I love that thing. And I've been hesitant to buy like a high-end mascara because I don't want to pay $12 for the little tube, and I don't want to pay $24 for the big tube either. So when I saw this here, I was like, okay, I think it's definitely worth a try. I've been wanting to try the Bad Girl brand for a long time. I've never ever tried a high-end type of mascara. The only one I did try, because I got it for free, it was the, I want to say the Smashbox Super Fan, and I liked it. It was nice, but I like more volume in it. It looked more natural than anything. So before I start this review on this, which I'm dying to try this out already, let me just say that my eyelashes are natural. Well, they're not naturally long. My eyelashes are long already, and the reason for that is because I use an eyelash serum. It's this here. It's the Rodan and Fields Lash Boost. If you've never heard of it and you want to learn about it, go ahead and message me if you want. I actually sell this product, and it's so amazing, let me tell you. I absolutely love it. My eyelashes are super long. This is what the wand looks like, and I just think, you know, having long eyelashes really makes the whole look come together, and it makes you look so much more prettier. But I really wanted to try something like this because I find that my telescopic does dry quickly. I don't know if that's normal. I want to see how long these last, so we'll see. But let's get right into it. I haven't opened it, so I don't even know how the heck I'm gonna open this, but oh yeah, so just take the top off, and let's open this up. Alright, so this is what it comes in, and my daughter is right here. Wow, they're huge. The box makes them look smaller. They're pretty huge. These are full size. Here's the Bad Girl Bang. It's a pretty big tube. They're Real, and the Roller Lash. And I'm gonna start with the Bad Girl Bang just because I've been really wanting to try this. Again, I didn't want to pay $12 for this damn thing for the little one, because I'm like, what if I like it and now I gotta pay $24 for the big one? So let's try this one out. I'm super excited. I can't wait. I'm recording with my phone, so I hope that this camera gets this thing well. But let me open this so you could see. So the wand looks like this. This is the Bad Girl Bang. And I'm really excited to try this, so. I'm gonna tilt my head back a little bit because I don't want to get no black on my lids. I hate that crap. I'm having to clean it all off. I'm gonna try to take my time with this and see how much product I can get on here. And how long I can get them. So far it's separating really nicely. Like my eyelashes aren't clumping together. And it's really nice formula. I'll take it off right now. I love how black it is. It's super dark. I don't know if you guys could see that, but so far, this is what I have. I think that's awesome. I love the volume it gives me, and I love how dark it is. But not gonna lie, it kind of does remind me of my L'Oreal Telescopic, but I really do like how long my eyelashes look and how separated they are. So that's that one. I do like it. I'm not like, you know, like damn wow about it, because honestly it reminds me a lot like my L'Oreal Telescopic. It really does. I was expecting a little more, honestly. So for $24, I'm kind of glad that I didn't have to pay $24 for just one. And the L'Oreal Telescopic is about $8. So this is their Real. Again, I have never tried this one before. The wand is different than the other one. Okay, so this is the wand to their Real. And I'm going to do it on this lash now. So this wand feels really nice. I like this one because it's giving me length, and it is giving me a little bit of volume, but not that much volume. And they look really nice and separated. Let me put the wand back so I can. So this is what this one looks like. My camera is terrible at showing this, but I really like how separated the eyelashes are. This side is their Real side, and this is the Bad Girl Bang side. They kind of look the same, don't they? No kidding, they do. This one just has a bit more volume than this one, but I really like this. This is their Real. And this is the Bad Girl Bang. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this one off and do the roller lash and let you guys know what I think about all these together compared to the L'Oreal Telescopic that I've been using for 8 years now. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I removed all the mascara. It was really easy to remove. I used this Garnier Skin, what the heck is this? Skin Active. I can't read backwards or whatever. This right here, it's this liquid thing that you use on a cotton swab or whatever you want to call it. It does a really good job. I really like this. So I'm gonna do the roller lash now and show you what this looks like. So this one is a bit different. It's curved. So let's do this one now. Okay. Okay, so far this one is more like on the natural side. It's not very thickening at all. It is like lengthening, but my eyelashes kind of look like spider legs, that thin, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish right there. And this is the Roller Lash. I wish my freaking camera was better at showing. But this is what it looks like. You want to see side view a little? It's more on the natural side compared to the other two. So since now we saw all those, let's do the L'Oreal Telescopic on the other side. If you've never tried this before and you want length and volume and have something that separates your lashes really well, this is definitely a must. I am in love with this mascara. I'm like, I don't know if I should buy another one because I just love this one so much, and it's only $8. So let's do this. L'Oreal Telescopic on this side so that you guys could see. Since I am comparing this to all of them, I thought it was fair enough that I did the L'Oreal Telescopic on this side. And this L'Oreal Telescopic, I like to build up. So with the same, I don't dip it in the tube anymore. I just keep going with the same product that's already on the tube. I just spin it. So I rotate the brush. And I keep adding and adding and adding and adding and adding and adding and adding. So this is what the L'Oreal Telescopic looks like. And it's almost like the Bad Girl Bang. It gives you length and volume, and it separates them really nicely. But I must say that this one does make them a bit thicker than the Bad Girl Bang. And this is what this one looks like. That's the L'Oreal Telescopic, and this is the Roller Lash. Right here. I look all crazy with two different lashes. So for my final thoughts on these mascaras, I think, let me just tell you what all these, how I seen them on my eyelashes. So I think if you're looking for a high-end mascara that you want volume and length, then you should definitely pick this one up. This one does just that, and it does separate your lashes. It doesn't clump them up. I think it does a really good job with that. So definitely, if you want to try a high-end, this one would be a go-to. But if you're a cheapo like me and you don't want to spend $24 on mascara, this lengthens them, it gives them volume, and it separates them really nicely, and it's super duper amazing. And I've been using it for 8 years, and it's only $8 or $9 depending on where you buy it. I always buy mine at Walmart, so I spend about $9 on this. So this compared to this, I would definitely get this because I do not want to pay $24 for a freaking mascara. And then now for this one, I think this one's really, really pretty. This one is actually, this was my favorite one out of all of them, this one, because it does give them a bit of volume, and it does lengthen them, and it doesn't make them look super thick. It gives you like the right amount of volume, as you guys saw in the in my mascara swatch or whatever. So if I were to go and buy one of these three, it would definitely be this one. I really like this one. So this one right here, I think this is more of, if you want more of a natural look, like if you're going for an interview or whatever the heck, and you don't want such a dramatic lash. As you can see, this is a roller lash and this is a voluminous. So if you want something more natural, then this is the one to go with. I really don't like that kind of look on me. Whatever. Wow, I got this crap on my teeth. Ew. So cute. Anyways, if you want something more natural like this here, this is the roller lash, definitely go get this. Like I said, this one is my favorite one. If I were to pick one, I would definitely get this one. This one is amazing. I really like this one, and this is the one that I was dying to try. Okay, this is the one that I was dying to try. And look, this is my favorite one. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed that and that it was informational. That was just my opinion. Again, my eyelashes are already long, And as you could see, that's the Roller Lash, and this is a L'Oreal Telescopic, and I absolutely love my L'Oreal Telescopic. It's something that I'm going to be staying with for a while now. Now that I know what these do to me, especially this here that I thought was, you know, worth it for $24. I think the L'Oreal Telescopic does this. I think it does a better job, honestly, at doing what I want to my lashes. But like I said, everybody has different opinions. But if you want to give this a try and see how they work for you, because it's gonna work differently for everybody. Everybody's gonna have different opinions. I may not like the Roller Lash, but you may love it. I don't live for that, but I do love this one. So I just hope you guys enjoy that and it was helpful at least for somebody. But thank you so much for watching my for watching this. Bye.
Bye.